Hi, you guys. I'm Nisha. I am a financial coach for women over 50 who are ready to retire and need to earn some extra money. It is going to be about your hustle and going the extra mile to make that extra money. So let's go and get into a few tips on how you can make some extra money, because we all want to put money aside for retirement. We may be late. Even though we are late, that's okay. There is still time if we are breathing, okay? We may not be able to go out as much as we want to. We may not be able to spend like we want to. Remember back in the day, our parents and family told us we cannot keep up with the Joneses. We cannot do that. We have to focus now and get on a plan to make extra money. In other words, like I said, let's hustle. Number one, this method is affiliate marketing. Okay, so it means that you promote an online product or service created by someone else. Okay, and then those purchases of the product or service through your promotion, you get a commission from that and or a portion of the sale. So that means that whatever you're doing, if you like have a storefront or doing something online, you sell someone else's product and you get some part of that when someone else buys it from you. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, number two is sell products online. So if you have your own website, you are on YouTube, whatever it is, you're just selling something online that someone will buy from you. Some people have products that they sell, coffee, mugs, whatever it is, something that you desire, something that you like, but selling something online. All right, let's see. The next thing is, let me go to the next one, is selling your services on a freelance basis. Okay, designer, you could be a writer, a translator. So say if you, there's sign language, that's something you can do on a freelance basis. You can be some kind of assistant, some kind of a bookkeeper, SEO expert. I saw this young guy saying that he has a tiny house and he did some electrical work. So he was like, hey, if you don't know how to do something like a trade, learn a trade. You can still learn a trade online. You can learn something like in 6 months or a year. There's still time. Like I said, as long as you're breathing, you have time to get something together to make some extra money. Okay? Voiceover artist. I've hired a voiceover artist in the past. Audio engineer. I don't know if you want to spend time learning that, but these are just things that I'm just coming up with on my notes. So sell your services online, be a freelancer. All right, that was the third one. So the fourth one is become an online coach. Look, there's, as old as we are, we're over 50, we know something. We know something that someone else doesn't know, and we can sell that. Okay, you can do one-on-one coaching, you can do group coaching, or you can create a course. You have knowledge on something that someone else does not have. You can be a coach. You really can. You can be a coach and teach someone something. Someone wants to know how to bake. You're into fitness. You know how to, categorize things, and you know how to just whatever, organize. That's what I'm trying to say. You know how to organize. You know how to teach someone how to do something. You're a specialty cook. You know nutrition. I hear the other day, like 75 or 85% of Americans are overweight. You can teach someone nutrition. You can teach someone how to work out. A lot of times we need to know these things. We need to know, and we can teach someone else. We have a lot of knowledge. All right, that was the fourth one. Number 5 is create online courses. Notice how we're talking about things online. There are so many things that you can do online that you can still do in the comfort of your home. So create a course, some kind of course that you can teach online. You can go and teach it on YouTube every day. Create something. Just get your plan out. Remember when we were in school, you have to have your topic, your main topic, your introduction, your 3 points, and your conclusion. I used to always say your exciting conclusion. There is something that you can create that you can sell to someone. That was number 5. Number 6, we talking about online, Create YouTube videos. Someone wants to hear from you. You know something. Over 50, we know something, okay? How do you know how to manage money? I'm talking about finances. Can you teach someone else about finances? Can you teach someone how to sew? Can you teach someone how to sing? Something. You can get on YouTube and start talking. And we're going to be consistent. So you can make the money on YouTube if you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing time over the course of the past 12 months. Then you can have YouTube ads. Okay, I wanted to mention that part as well. You can put your ads on there and start making the AdSense revenue. Okay? And that's money. The money adds up. I see all these YouTubers on YouTube, they talking about anything and they are blowing up. All right, that was number 6. Number 7 is write and sell a book. I have a family member who is in the process of, well, actually he's written a book and he has it online. I told him, now that you have your book written, get online and talk about your book. Talk about why you wrote the book, how you came across, why did you write it? The characters, talk about it. Just don't give out the plot of the book, but just talk about the book continuously. Kind of talk about yourself, just anything related to the book. You can coach somebody on how to write their own book, but talk about the book. So write and sell your book. Get your website and sell your book on your website, but get a following. Make sure you get a following and you're talk about your book. All right, that was number 7. Number 8 is start a blog. So they get the blogs out, they go to WordPress and they start just a simple WordPress website and they write. How they make their money is they sell advertisements on their website. It's still possible. I'm on YouTube and I go to their website. People say, "Oh, I'm looking for recipes." They say, "Go to my website and you can find more detailed information about the recipe." So I go there and then they have the ads there. So I don't know like all the ways that they get paid on there, but you can promote your services. You can promote what you like, what you don't like, whatever. But you can start your blog and start promoting yourself. Okay. And let's see. You don't have to have an audience right away, but you're going to build your audience by being consistent. Number 9 is become a virtual assistant. So a lot of you guys know computers very well, how to type. You guys can type people up under a table. And then you can be working for yourself, be your virtual assistant. You can teach people, you can be their, what is that thing called? When you're their social media person. So you can respond to emails. You can purchase items for people, perform personal tasks for people, make phone calls, sorting, arranging data, like I said, social media, and you can respond to things and more. You can do it. There's a lot of things that people don't want to do that I know that you can do, that you have the knowledge to know how to do. Online, I know you know how to do it. I mean, we're right at the, we're right in between like the typewriters and computers. We were in college and in high school when the computer became very efficient. So, we know how to do it. The next one is you can tutor people. You can tutor people in English. There are a lot of people who want to know English. So I know someone, they were like trying to translate. Well, like I said, tutor. And they were trying to undercut them. So they were like, let me get my own thing. I can start tutoring myself. And people want to just have conversations with someone who's a native English speaker. And you can make money that way. That's some extra money. You can advertise. I met one other person that they were advertising on Instagram. So you can get your own thing going and do it yourself. Okay. Sell stock photos. Now, this is interesting. Now, I like this because when I was first trying to do things online, I just was buying stock photos from this lady. You might see it on some of my older ones, on my older videos that I posted on YouTube like 4 years ago. Anyway, so stock photos. You could just take pictures of photos. She just hit like a little white box. I don't know if you know what that is, but it's just like a little white box that's clear, and she just puts like a computer there, flowers, a teacup. You can just sell those stock photos. You can just be outside and sell those because people want realistic photos. Just take pictures of random things and you can sell those on different websites. Let's see. You can make money. It's so many different ways that you can make money online. So many different ways. There are thousands of ways to sell that stuff. You can, and people want to download that. They sell that. They have pictures on Canva. So many ways, so many different things. The number 12 I have is doing odd jobs. So it's a website called TaskRabbit. And I had a cousin who did different, he used to do construction work. I don't know which app he used, but he found jobs through this app, and he built people's, but he knew construction and he knew automobiles and that type of thing. But there's another website, TaskRabbit. It's a website that allows you to do all sorts of odd jobs. And you can charge between, they say between $50 and $150 for doing so. But you can see what type of jobs they have available. There are so many different things. Just by being you, you can make money. Being you, or you can learn some type of trade, something that you always wanted to do. There's something out there. There's something out there. Okay, so I just wanted to give you these things, guys. I hope this helps you out. Even if these 12 things don't mesh with you, I'm sure there's something that you can come up with. And if you ever want to like reach out to me, you can reach out to me at info@westonfinancialservices.com. We can have a chat, and we can talk about your financial goals and take it from there. So thank you. I hope you like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.